Hey there, it's Nev from the Screencastify PD team. This time I'm really excited to talk about ways that we can get more parents involved by flipping back to school night. Whether you call it back to school night, open house, or just an opportunity to engage with parents, giving them a way to watch it on demand means that more parents get an opportunity to be involved. Let me show you what I mean. You'll want to select the Screencastify extension to the right of your address bar. Once the extension is open, you'll get to select what you would like to record. We recommend recording your browser tab, which will show only the presentation that you've prepared for parents. Include your microphone and webcam so that parents can see you, hear your voice, and familiarize themselves with who you are as a teacher. Under Show More Options, we absolutely love including drawing tools because it allows you to draw all over a screen in order to emphasize what's most important about your class and your procedures. Once you're ready, go ahead and press record. Once the countdown is up, you are live, and you can go through the presentation as normal. Feel free to go through your slides, use our annotation tools like our pen, rectangle, or stickers to emphasize particular things that you really want parents to figure out. And once you're done, you can go ahead and press stop. The new page that appears will allow you to share your video with parents or even edit it with folks who might need it. Under our share options, you have tons of ways that you can get this out, like publishing it to YouTube, sending it over in an email, generating it as a QR code to be printed out later, or even sharing on Remind so that parents have access to it as a text message. If none of those quite strike your fancy, you always can copy the shareable link and paste it anywhere. Regardless of how you choose to share with parents, the fact that they have an opportunity to engage with you on demand and learn more about your classroom is of paramount importance. Happy back to school, and we can't wait to see all of the ways that you make parents partners in your classroom.